let me give you guys an exercise. Let's see. Let's find out. This is a different one. Pound. So 12-month pound rate is 435, 520. So exercise. Come on. It's 123.73. Find 1 year forward, pound, dollar, exchange rate. I'll give you guys a few minutes to work that. Anyone came up with that answer? I mean, you have the formula you need right there.
And 0.8082.
And we'll see. Now, in this case, foreign is pound, right? So we start with the spot times 1 plus the foreign interest rate, which is this, divided by 1 plus the domestic interest rate. $122,511. You probably did the other way around. Okay. Should actually find it. No, I'm sorry, it's the other way around. The country with smaller interest rate should be at a forward premium. In this case, Great Britain is. Did I do this right? Yeah. I think I wrote the formula wrong. I applied it correctly, but if we did this with currencies with higher interest rates, for example, LIBOR for Australian dollar. Oh, that's also low as well. I guess you're gonna have to go to emerging markets to get higher interest rates in the US these days. That wasn't the case 6 months ago. But all right. Now, we're not going to use forwards too much. We'll use most of futures. I'm not going to talk about exchange rate futures today. That's going to have its own set of discussion because we're going to talk about exactly how to use them for hedging and speculation purposes. I just wanted to introduce simplest of derivative instruments. Since it's kind of current, I want to talk about futures contracts on federal funds rate. It's one way to speculate about what Fed is going to do, and it's also a way to figure out what the market is thinking Fed is going to do for the next meeting. We have about half an hour, so we can do a nice little discussion. If you do a search, 30-day federal funds futures, just find the quotes. You can also go to it from CME.com, but this is quicker. There is a contract for pretty much every month. The way that the contract works, these are the so-called price. Price is 100 minus the implied interest rate, or the implied interest rate is 100 minus the price. The way this is settled, you compare the price you pay to the average effective federal funds rate during the contract. Now, you need to find average effective, not affective, effective. Those are two different things. So we're going to figure out what the effective federal funds rate would be under different scenarios of Fed moves. What would it be if they do nothing? What would it be if they increase 25 basis points, 50, and so on and so forth? So current rates, we can find that out. If you do a search for effective federal funds rate. Currently it's 433 and it's pretty much, it has been like that. It's typically about 8 basis points above the lower limit of Fed target rate. Right now it's 425 to 450. So if nothing happens, we should expect let's do it this way. Scenario, no moves, expected EFFR is 433. Current implied average from the futures contract, 100 minus, I actually have a spreadsheet for these, but let's just do it this way right now. 458. So that's precisely 25 basis points above what would happen if there are no moves, okay? Scenario 25, 0.25 point move. Then what would be the average? The meeting is on February 1st.